guys, welcome in this session. In the earlier video we studied practice set 2.2. Some examples were there. Now in this session we are going to study the example number 5. In figure, point T is in the interior of rectangle PQRS. See, here is a rectangle PQRS and point T is in the interior of rectangle. So we have to prove that TS square plus TQ square. TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. So if you look at this to prove part, it is very clear that all the segments are drawn from point T and they reach to the vertices of quadrilateral. For the sake of simplicity, we have drawn the diagonals of rectangle. Sec PR and sec QS are the diagonals of rectangle and they are intersecting in point O. We have also drawn seg TO, means point T and point O are joined here. So first of all we have to write the construction. What is the construction part here that we have to mention? Diagonals PR and QS of quadrilateral PQRS, which is a rectangle, are drawn. Means we have drawn the diagonals, and seg TO is also drawn. So this is the construction part that you have to write first. Now here we are going to use the property of diagonals of rectangle. Diagonals of rectangle are congruent and they bisect each other. This is the property you must know. So let us write it first. Diagonals of rectangle are congruent and they bisect each other. So both these things we are going to use here. First, they are congruent, means PR is equal to QS. PR is equal to QS. The two diagonals of rectangle are congruent, shown here. Now if we multiply both the sides by 1 upon 2, there is no change in equality. So let us multiply both sides by 1 upon 2. We get 1 upon 2 PR is equal to 1 upon 2 QS. You can write the reason: multiplying by 1 upon 2. But you can see that these two diagonals are the diagonals of rectangle, means they bisect each other. So O is the midpoint of both the diagonals. So half of PR means OP and OR both are equals and both the segments are equal to half of PR. So we can write here, but half of PR means OP and OR, and both are equal. So OP is equal to OR, and half of QS, that is another diagonal. Half of QS means OS is equal to OQ. OS is equal to OQ. Now if we give this above equation number 1, this equation number 2 and this equation number 3, so from 1, 2 and 3 we can draw a conclusion that if their LHS are same here, means all these segments, 4 segments, are also equal. So from 1, 2 and 3 we can write here, from 1, 2 and 3. These 3 equations give us idea that OP is equal to OR is equal to OS is equal to OQ. Now give this equation number 4, as we are going to use this part later. Now, we are considering two triangles here. First triangle that we are going to consider is TSQ. See the triangle TSQ. In this triangle, TO is the median as O is the midpoint of SQ. And as TO is the median in triangle, means we are going to apply the Apollonius theorem here. So let us write first the baseline. In triangle TSQ, TO is median, which is the baseline for applying Apollonius theorem. So let us apply the Apollonius theorem here. TS square plus TQ square. TS square plus TQ square is equal to 2 times TO square. TO, which is a median, plus 2 times OQ square. 2 times OQ square. In place of OQ, you can take OS also. Now, as we have written OQ, so this is the step by applying Apollonius theorem. This is the reason you have to write here. Now, similarly, if we write similarly, in triangle TPR, see the triangle. In triangle TPR, same, TO is the median. Again in triangle TPR, TO is median. TO is median, which is a baseline for applying Apollonius again. But we are not going to write the reason because we are writing similarly here. So, in triangle TPR, applying Apollonius, TP square plus TR square. TP square plus TR square is equal to 2 times of median square, means 2 times of TO square plus 2 times of OP square. 2 times of OP square. In place of OP square, you can write OR square also there. Now, if we give this above equation as equation number 5, then and if we see the right hand sides of these two equations, their one part is same, only the second part is not same. But we can make them same by using equation number 4. See here equation number 4. In place of OP, we can write OQ also because they are equal in equation number 4. So the right hand side 2TO square will be as it is plus 2 OP square. In place of OP square, we can write OQ square. Now what change you have done here? By using equation number 4. So write here the reason from equation number 4. This is the reason. And left hand side will be as it is. That is TP square plus TR square. And give this as equation number 6. From equation 5 and 6, you can see that their right hand sides are same or equal. And as their right hand sides are equal, so we can write their left hand sides are also equal. So what is our conclusion from equation 5 and 6? RHS are equal, so LHS are also equal. So we can write here TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. And this is our to prove part in a question. See here, in a question, what we have to prove here? TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. And it is the last line of our answer, means we have proved what was asked in a question. I hope that you must have understood it. Very easy question. Only the construction part is very important here, so that you can apply the Apollonius theorem on two triangles. Just by making some adjustments, you can prove what is asked there. Okay.